Hello, my dear friends. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great and welcome back to my English practice video. In today's video, I am going to talk a very simple topic as you can understand it very effectively. And my today's video will go into very simple and easy to understand for all of beginners. You may understand English, you may learn new vocabulary words, you may write some English words effectively, but it's time to speak or it's time to think in English in your mind. Sometimes you get stuck while thinking in English in your mind. It happens with beginners, and I was in the same condition, but nowadays I am improving my English by thinking in different kind of things in my mind. Okay, so how do I think in my mind without knowing vocabulary words, without getting stuck? How do I think in English? Probably many beginners they make same mistakes. What they does, they think in their native language or try to describe that things in English. It's not easy for everyone. Okay, it may be easy for those beginners who practice from their scratch level. Okay, so stop translating things in your mind. Firstly, you need to pick up any random topic, whatever you want to speak or whatever you can understand and you can able to think about. No need to take a very difficult topic in your beginning stage. Okay, so how you can start practicing and how I do practice by thinking in English. When I wake up, what I usually do that I wake up early in the morning, and from that I start my English practice. Now, how do I start practicing from my morning routine? When I wake up early in the morning, I fold my blanket and I start speaking by that activity. I fold my blanket, I tidy my room, and whatever the messy room, I clean my room with broom. It's a very simple, like whatever I am speaking right now in front of you. Just try to speak like that. After tidy my room, after cleaning my room, I have to go to brush my teeth every day. After brushing my teeth, I have to go for breakfast and I have to go for my breakfast. Now, after having my breakfast, I clean my windows at my home. After cleaning that windows, I simply wash that window by cleaner. I simply wash that windows by cleaner, or you can say whatever I have everyday task, I simply complete that all task by practicing in English without getting any fear, without troubling to speak in English. It's a very simple, as you are thinking, or you might be think it's a very hard task for me. You can understand if you can understand English, so it is not difficult task for think in English and practice it in English. You might be think it's a very common thing. We can describe any random household activity with our simple English practice, but when we try to speak, our mind get jumbling. So that start with simple and easy sentences. You don't need to speak very hard English, or you don't need to focus on extraordinary words. First, you need to describe whatever you do after waking up early in the morning. Then whatever the task for you in a whole day, it may be your college work or whatever your parents they give you work for completion, whatever it is. After that things, simply pick up your mobile phone and start searching new vocabulary words for that condition or that English activities. Okay, so after searching that, don't speak before thinking in English. So how you can start by thinking in English? Practice would be very easy when you start English practice by your simple and easier daily task, whatever it is. Second thing is that stop translating things in your mind. What beginners makes mistakes while speaking in English? They often translate any things in their native language and describe that things in English. It's a very difficult task for every beginners who are implementing themselves in that way. I recommend you to stop that kind of things, because everywhere you can see the difficult situation we make while while speaking in English. It's a very it's not a walk in the park to think in English. You have to practice English every day. Third thing is, whatever you think in English, just try to speak out loud. Don't write before speaking in English. And whatever you have learned vocabulary words by using the situation, just pick up 2 to 3 vocabulary words and try to think in English about that vocabulary words. It's very easy to speak. After speaking that vocabulary words properly for that situation, you can simply record yourself while speaking the situation. After recording, listen to yourself while speaking in English and find your mistakes while you while speaking in English, where you make mistakes. Just simply try to cover your mistakes into another practice video. Third thing is, ask some question for yourself in English. Whatever you have learned in whole day, whatever you get time for practicing in English, whatever you practice whole day basis, you just have to ask some question to yourself in English, whatever it is. No need to get fluency in a first time, or many beginners they feel or they think that I should get fluency within a 1 month. It is not a piece of cake for everyone to think in English and to practice English very effectively. So whatever you learn or whatever you practice English, just ask some question about that situation. Don't afraid of making mistakes. Making mistakes is a part of learning English. What I used to do in my beginning stage when I started my English journey from scratch, I used to make lots of mistakes while speaking in English. Whenever I used to make mistakes, I feel proud of myself, because I used to think like making mistakes is a part of learning something new. And after making that mistakes, I try to recover my mistakes in other English practice video. So that was my daily practice activity, and from that mistakes I could learn lots of things in my life. So don't afraid of making mistakes. Making mistakes It's not difficult task. It is a very common for everyone who are beginner and who don't know how to start practicing. Making mistakes is a common problem, and don't think about making mistakes. Think about mistakes as our fluency. And this is all for today, and I practice my English every day to like that. I think in English every day to cover my all activities, whatever it is, my household work, my daily activities, or my college work, any household work. I simply practice in English so that I am becoming confident no matter how I am speaking right now. But I have that strength, and I have that confidence to speak in English. I one day I will also focus on my fluency or my accent. Today my accent is not so good. I'm trying nowadays, and by thinking in English. So don't stop thinking in English, and don't give up from your English journey, and keep with me and stay with me. If you really want to speak English very naturally, then stay connected with my channel, and I will try to make like different kind of videos for all of you guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.